Hi guys, and welcome to this isn't a pregnancy update. Today we are going to be going over what's in my hospital bag. So for those of you who don't know, I am 40 weeks pregnant now. I've had my bag packed for a couple of weeks now because I was expecting her to come a little bit earlier, but she's not here yet. But I figured this is good because I needed time to film this video for you guys. Anyway, I'm a first-time mom, so I wasn't sure exactly what to bring. I did take advice from my mom and cousins and just watching other YouTube videos to get ideas of what I thought that I would need. Originally, I was just going to use like a random old bag that I had, but for some reason I couldn't find a bag big enough to bring the things I wanted to bring. They were either too small or they were just like way too big. So I actually got this one. It's pretty cute. I actually got it at Walmart. So I feel like I didn't want to spend a ton of money on a bag. I don't know. I just found it at Walmart. It's really cute. It has like these obviously faux leather handles. It's open right now. But then it does have like this strap as well, so this you can make longer, I guess, if you want to do like a crossbody, or if you wanted to hold it with this. And it has like a neon pink, orange, and black and white, and a little faux leather on the bottom. So pretty cute. And I think it was like $19, so not bad. First off, I'll just go over like the clothing that I'm bringing because it's what's in here. I bought a couple of stuff, some from, actually I think most from Amazon, to be honest. First thing that I have here on top are bras. These are actually nursing bras. So these I got on Amazon. They're not the prettiest bras, but they're bras. And they have these little things that I can just unhook, if you can see, and kind of pull down to feed my baby. They're soft, there's no wires or anything, and you can just pull them down, feed your baby, and call it a day. So I have a couple of those. We also have underwear. I know, they are big ol' underwear. They come up high to give a little bit of support on the belly. A few people have told me this is good to have because you want it to kind of like compress and kind of hold things together, but you don't want it to be too tight. But this is kind of like, yeah, it's just extra support. So that's cute. I also bought these on Amazon just to try out. They are menstrual underwear. So obviously lots gonna be happening. So I guess these have like an absorbent layer in here that's supposed to help kind of absorb any leaks, things like that. But I thought that's pretty good. Obviously, like, you're gonna need pads and stuff, but just in case, this does have a little protective layer. So I don't know how well they work. Again, I got them on Amazon. Figured it wasn't a bad idea to have just in case. So I have a couple of pairs of those if I like them, or better than the other ones I have. I like having options, I guess. Bringing a couple of tank tops. These still have the tag on it, just to kind of throw on because I like live in tank tops. I bought these pajamas. I was looking for like a pajama set with the button down front. That way for when I breastfeed, I can just kind of unbutton and feed the baby. These, I actually think I did find these at Walmart as well. I couldn't find any that I loved, and some that I found online because I wanted a short sleeve because it is spring approaching summertime. Not summertime yet, but it's getting warmer out, so I didn't want long sleeve. The ones that I found online would not have been here by my due date. Even though I'm a day past my due date, I could have bought it, but whatever. So these are a little like farty, I think, to be honest, but whatever, it's for the hospital. I don't care. This was the closest thing to black that I could find because the other ones were like blue and yellow and all pink. So I'm like, oh, whatever. This has pink on it, but it has black too. I live in black, so. But I like that it has the buttons. So it was a set, and I got it a little bit bigger of a size because I figured I'm gonna be sensitive and I don't want anything too tight. So nice little pajama set. Super cheap too, because I'm like, the pajamas will probably get ruined, especially if I leak. So something I can just toss. I wasn't gonna spend a ton of money, but it's light too, which I like. Now that I think of it, I'm like, I got a lot of stuff at Walmart. I went in just for that bag and I left with other stuff. This is a little robe that I got also at Walmart. It's like just a nice black lightweight robe. So I figured I can just bring it, that I can throw over, and it's comfy, inexpensive. That way, if I need to throw it out, I can just toss it. All of this is washed too, by the way, because Mama Bird was nesting and I wanted everything clean for my baby. Another pair of pajama pants that I can just wear with a tank top, and the robe if I wanted to. My mom got these for me. They're actually super cute and they're very light. And these are lightweight sweats that I figured I can probably go home in, because I want to look like somewhat presentable but still cozy and comfy, and I'm just anticipating my body to go through a lot, so as comfortable as possible but still want to look decent. I also have fuzzy socks. Somebody told me that's a good idea to have in case my feet get cold in the hospital. I also have like these fuzzy slipper socks that have a little grip on the bottom, so that's good. Make sure I don't slip in the hospital. Also bought slippers that have like memory foam in them. Got these at like TJ Maxx, I think. Also will be packing flip-flops. I think they're upstairs or in my car right now, but I'm bringing flip-flops, like just plain old flip-flops that I can use them if I do, you know, want to wash my body in the hospital, put them on, step in the shower. I don't want my feet touching that. I know it's sanitary, but my cousin told me that. I was like, good idea. All right, next I'm bringing pads. I know the hospital does supply them, but stop. TJ's looking at me. I know the hospital does supply them, but I'm bringing them just to have. These are like the most absorbent pads. So I also got a sample of these Lancino, what are these? Oh, nursing pads. So I guess I can put them if I leak. I don't know. I got a sample. I threw it in here. Oh, I bought this. I don't know why. Oh, a hand sanitizer. I don't know. Now, little compartments. I have this. It's an Ipsy bag. So in this one, I have toothpaste and mouthwash and toothbrushes for TJ and myself, because I need my teeth to be like clean and fresh. So that's in here. Then in here, what do I have? Oh, in this bag, also another Ipsy bag. No, not sponsored. I use my Ipsy bags for good things. But in here, I will be putting my makeup. I'm not going to bring like a ton of makeup. I'm aware that I'm going to give birth. I'm not going to like be glamorous, but I have my simple face wipes that I'm bringing, not even just for like makeup that I will be putting on, but if I want to just like refresh a little bit, I can just wipe my face and be done with it. Or if I have makeup on as I'm going to there and I don't have time or don't think about taking it off, I'll bring these. These are my favorite wipes ever. I will be putting, actually probably right after this video, I'll be putting like maybe a light concealer, a CC cream, maybe an eyeliner, and calling it a day. Not gonna go crazy with the makeup. Again, I still want to look presentable and look decent because I feel like that will help make me feel better. I don't know. I know I'm gonna be feeling amazing as far as like becoming a mom, but you know, you still want to feel good about yourself. So I figure a little under eye concealer is not going to be the end of the world. I don't even have to justify why. I want to bring a little makeup. It's fine. It's fine. I might not even wear it, but anyway. And then this bag has, okay, like other toiletries. This I saw, which I thought was really good. I think they have like an adult one, but I couldn't find one. This is the Johnson's head to toe baby cleansing cloths, but I feel like this will be good because it's like an all over wipe, so I can use it for like my body if I don't jump in the shower or anything like that, if I'm just feeling like gross from being in the hospital. They're extra large, so obviously they're not like face wipes, they're bigger, so I guess I can just use a couple to clean my body. I also may bring there are like the Summer Eves cleansing wipes for, you know, down there, just to keep things clean and fresh. I might not bring it because it might be too sensitive down there. I have to ask and see if that's a good idea. But I'm bringing this just for like my body. Q-tips, because why not? Body wash to clean my body if I do jump in the shower. This is by the Honest Company. This is organic nipple balm. So I guess if my nipples are chafing or anything like that, I can throw these on. I don't know if I'll need them for the hospital, but I figured why not just have them with you. Lotion to moisturize. Oh, this is another, oh, my cousin got this for me. It's called Mama Bottom Balm. So this is supposed to be good for down there. So I guess this is good if there's any like tearing or just to kind of soothe down there. So I brought this because I feel like if I can use it right away, I will. She says it helped tremendously. Figured it'd be good to have. Little deodorant, one for myself, one for TJ. I love travel stuff. That way we're not stinkies. Some travel shampoo. This is the Paul Mitchell Marula Oil shampoo and conditioner. I like the shampoo, but this is also just some of the smaller sizes that I have. The other shampoos I have are like full size, so I thought this was good to bring. And then I have a leave-in conditioner by AG because I'm not going to blow dry my hair if I wash my hair over there, so I need some sort of leave-in product. So that does it for my hospital bag. I do have a separate diaper bag for the baby with her first outfits. We have a couple of different sizes to bring and choose from depending on how big this little baby is. I might get that and show you guys that. Otherwise, I'll just show you after what we ended up doing. And then TJ will be bringing a bag for himself with like pajamas because he'll be staying with us because he's not going to want to leave our side, and snacks. He's bringing lots of snacks for himself. So he's taking care of his bag. A lot more simple than mine, but that's it. I think that did it. I was trying to keep it very basic, but still be prepared if I did need more stuff. Again, this is all new to me, so if I put this up before I have the baby, let me know if there are other things that you suggest that I bring. If not, I'll let you know what I ended up using or not using, or what I wish I had, or if I thought this was good. But just to give you guys an idea, this is what I will be bringing, and that's it. So now we wait for the baby to get here. I hope that this is helpful for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see other little updates and videos and things like that for pregnancy and for other things in general also. And as always, be sure to stay happy, you guys.